Welcome to online classes by DU Nalgonda in collaboration with ELTA Nalgonda. Let us come into 10th class English Unit 5 Social Issues, the Storied House Part 2, B reading. In the previous class, we discussed that Bayaji, an untouchable after his retirement, wanted to construct a storied building in his own village, but the higher caste people did not like his decision. See what happens in the next session. The news that Bayaji was building a storied house spread like a cry from the rooftop. Spread like cry from the rooftop means it is an idiomatic expression that means the news spread all over the village as if one person announces from the rooftop or the top of the building. There was only one storied house in the village, and that belonged to Kondiba Patil. That Bayaji, an untouchable creature, should think of a rival storied house, too much for Kondiba to bear. Kondiba could not bear an untouchable was constructing the storied building in rival to his own building. And people also murmured that untouchables were forgetting their position. Okay, Bayaji started the construction of the building. Work on the foundations started. Dattaram Vadar, one builder, was given the contract of the construction. The foundation trenches were filled with mud. Bits of some other stone and cement were filled. One day, Bayaji saw Kondiba coming towards him. He greeted, "Sir, it's with your blessings that I have ventured on this storied house." Then Kondiba said, "Baiju, you shouldn't lose your head simply because you have set aside some money. Have you got proud because you earned some money? Do you want to get the equal position with Patils? Look, the poor people should remain in their cottage. Understand?" Kondiba warned Bayaji against the construction of the building. "No, Patil, please don't misunderstand me." Bayaji was little dizzy. Dizzy means confused. He was somewhat disappointed also, with nervousness. "How do you say that? One should keep one's position. You should not let a little money turn your head. Little money made you proud." "No, sir. I only wish to build a shelter for my family. Then I shall free to breathe my last in this house," said. "Who says you should not have a house? You can have a small house, 3 convenient portions, a veranda in front of the backside living section. For the middle class, that will be enough. Why unnecessarily spending your money on the storied building?" And he gave counsel. Counsel means advice to Bayaji. "No, but sir," Bayaji faltered. Faltered means speak hesitatingly, because he was somewhat nervous to speak in front of Patil. Then Kondiba continued, "You may go in for a storied house only if you don't want to stay in this village. Hey, I'm giving you warning to stop such type of building if you want to stay in the village." Not only Kondiba, other ruffians are rough fellows in the village, also threatened him against the construction of the storied building. So there was no way for Bayaji. He abandoned the plan, but he changed the plan in the construction of the house. The middle portion of the house little elevated, and the first story fixed up there was a wooden flooring, for which we can reach there by stairs from the kitchen. It is just like a duplex house in the olden days. But nobody could see, outsiders could not understand a storied house is inside the house. In that way, Bayaji completed the construction of the house. The house was complete, and traditional housewarming ceremony Housewarming ceremony means house inauguration ceremony was planned by Babaji's family. Invitations were sent to all his villagers and friends, and all the people were invited for refreshments, but the higher caste people do not take food in the Babaji's house. They will take only pan supari or betel leaves. And the ceremony was going on, and he prepared a pandal, here, see here, pandal with decorations. The sons of Babaji also prepared excellent pandal and other things. And devotional singers like Kade Gonkar Buwa, Parasu Buwa, Kalekar Bapu Master, Jija Buwa, Vinobha, Vadagaon, these are the troops, musical singers also were hired for the program. In the evening, Petromax lights, see real Petromax lights, in the olden days they were used. They were hung on the four corners for light, and different guests came there, and they were engrossed in conversation. Engrossed means busy, involved, or absorbed in the conversations. Kondiba Patil was soon there for the housewarming ceremony, along with Thug. Thug means rough or lawless person, Bhujaba, and 5 seasoned rascals. Seasoned means experienced rascals along with him. These people felt uneasy at the sight of the brand new house, the impressive pandal, the crowd of smiling faces. They could not digest the scene. Their eyes roved all over the place. Babaji led up them to the stairs in the kitchen. The first floor looked like a drawing room. The walls were radiant with blue oil paint. The fresh color gave out a pleasant smell. Framed pictures of great men like Lord Buddha, Ambedkar, Bhaurao Patil, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, and other hung on the walls. The loft, the upper room, looked like first floor was filled with pious and holy ambience. Pious means spiritual appearance, and holy ambience means appearance or atmosphere was there in the loft. Babaji spread a rough woolen carpet for Patil and other high caste people. Patil sat quietly on that. His companions rather uncomfortable to sit there, because they were thinking that we are upper caste people, we should not come into the house of untouchable and sitting here taking their refreshments. They did not digest it. Babaji offered them betel leaves. Here, see, you can see betel leaves, the customary betel leaves. But Patil took the betel leaves and returned to him. Then Babaji asked, "Why don't you accept the betel leaves?" Babaji asked nervously. Bhujaba smiled artificially and said, "It's enough that your offering is honored. Is it also necessary to eat? We will make a move now." With this, Kondiba Patil, Bhujaba and his companions rose to leave. Rose means to stand up. Past tense of stand, stood. Rose has another meaning, the rose flower. Here rose means stood up. The two words, or the word is same, the meanings too are different. Such type of words are called homonyms. As they came down, Bhujaba felt as if he were tumbling down the stairs. Bhujaba was completely nervous because the Patil and other people did not take the leaves. So he felt that he was tumbling. Tumbling means he fell down from the stairs. Then a big musical concert was held until 2 o'clock in the morning. The famous singers sang songs in praise of Ambedkar, Lord Buddha, Jyotiba Phule. Small children dropped off like bundle of rags. They were sleeping like a cloth bundle. Here also the children were compared to bundle of rags. This type of comparison is simile. Women went into kitchen to prepare tea. At that time, an unimaginable incident happened. Bayaji's new house had caught fire from all sides. It had suddenly flared up. Flared up means flames came. The women folk in the front veranda screamed in confusion. The guests stood up swiftly and began to pull out the women like herd of cattle. The women were like herd of cattle. How we drag the cattle like that. Here also simile is used. Bayaji was frantic. Frantic means totally disappointed. And he was a panic situation. He ran around. My house, my storied house is in my fire. My enemy has taken revenge on me. He entered the roaring flames crying, my house, my house. He climbed up and he wanted to bring the pictures of Buddha and Ambedkar. As he was about to come down, the stairs crumbled down, broken. And he fell right in the middle of the stairs. A dreadful fire surrounded him. Bayaji, jump down, quick, jump! The people shouted. Women and children were crying and screaming. Now that the staircase had collapsed, no one could go up. Nobody could save Bayaji from the disaster. Bayaji burnt all over the body. His hopes had been reduced to ashes. Telugulo antamana అతడు చేసిన కృషి అంతా బూడిద పాలైంది. Like this. Bayaji was badly burnt. He was writhing in pain. Agony means pain. He asked for water. As his eyes began to roll on his head, the eldest son moved. Nana, what's your wish? My dear sons, I want you to build a storied house. I have no other wish. With these words, his head collapsed. Like the storied house. How the storied house collapsed? His head also collapsed. Bayaji was quiet and cold. Quiet and cold. The fires calmed down. The entire family was shattered, totally disappointed, shocked by the calamity, by the disaster, by the accident, fire accident. They lost their father even before the housewarming ceremony. The spirits of all men were dampened like cooking fire on which water has been poured. How the cooking fire will be stopped by the pouring of water, their spirits also dampened. Here also simile is used. Like that, the night over, Bayaji died in the fire accident. In the morning, village officers and police officers came and recorded as it was an accident. Bayaji's death was a result of an accident due to Petromax lights flare up. They concluded the matter by giving the report to higher officials. After funeral means the last rites conducted to a person who died. People returned hanging their heads. All of them were pained at heart, because they lost the great person, the head of the family. And they were thinking about the misfortune that happened in their house and the host of the family. All were sitting in a sullen mood, sorrowful occasion. In the pandal, when Bayaji's eldest son, all the people were sitting silently. Then Bayaji's eldest son came with baskets, spade, pickaxe and a hoe. These are the tools for the construction of the building. He outlined a square in the place where they were sitting. The eldest son was digging, the second was gathering the earth with his spade. The others were lifting it away in the baskets. The guests did not understand what was going on. Children, you are in mourning. What are you doing? The sons answered like this. We are starting a new house, especially the storied house, not this time the concealed first floor, It's a regular two-story building we are going to construction. This time nobody is going to stop us. That is my father's wish. We have to fulfill the wish of our father. We are totally determined for this action. Under what circumstances we will complete our construction. That was a conclusion of the sons of Bayaji. Dear students, at the end of the lesson I would like to ask you some questions to test your comprehension. Here are the questions for you. Answer the questions directly and send to your teacher personally or through WhatsApp. What did Bayaji do in Bombay? What was the desire of Bayaji? How did his mother show love on him? Why did Kondiva warn Bayaji? What changes did Bayaji make in his house after the warning? Who do you think will be the responsible for the accident? What was the determination of his sons? Let us go to next session. Here is a discourse writing for you. It's a minor discourse writing an invitation. In the lesson The Storied House, you have learned that Bayaji prepared an invitation and sent to his guests to invite them to attend the function. In your house also, if you are celebrating the same or some other ceremony, how do you prepare the invitation? This question appears in your examination for 5 marks. This is a minor discourse. For minor discourse, a layout is necessary. And we have to write the heading invitation. Next, the type of the program, housewarming ceremony. Here an attractive sentence should be written. You can select this sentence or some other sentence you would like. We solicit your gracious presence on the occasion of newly built house. If it is birthday, you can write. We solicit your gracious presence on the occasion of my birthday. Or we expect the presence of you with your family on the occasion of, like this you can also write. And then you have to write the date, day and time. On which date and which day, what time the function is going to be held. Next we also show the venue where the program is held. And if you have any special events on such day, you can refer. Music program by famous musical directors or some other program, whatever the programs you intend to celebrate on that day. And last one is lunch follows. If it is a time of dinner time, you can write dinner follows. And at the end of the invitation you have to write invited by whom was the invitation card was prepared, and the name should be like Sri and Srimati, so and so person are sending the invitation. Dear students, it is time for letter writing. The topic Bayaji wanted to construct a new building, or especially storied building in his village, but the Kondiva Patil and other Patils did not like an untouchable to build a new house in their village. But Bayaji continued the house. On the housewarming ceremony itself, the house caught fire and Balaji lost his life in the fire accident. In fact, the people and the Bayaji's family members knew that it was not an accident. It was a conspiracy created by Bujaba Patil and Kondiva Patil. If they wanted to complain a letter to the police inspector, how would they write? Here are the steps for you. The letter should consist of from address, to address, salutation, body of the letter, subscription and signature. There are two kinds of letters, British style of letters, American style of letters. British style of letters and the from address, subscription, signature should be on the right side. The To address, salutation, body of the letter should be from the left margin. From address we have to write, then to address, salutation like dear sir, respected sir, like that. Body of the letter. Body of the letter should consist of 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph says who is writing and from where he is writing. The second paragraph should reflect the topic and what type of complaint they wanted to give. In the third paragraph, what the writer expects from the addresser, and subscription like yours faithfully, yours truly, like that. And finally, signature should be there. It is a formal letter. If the letter is in the detailed form, the letter would be like this. From Haridaravada, Nalgonda, or any place you can write, to the station house officer or sub-inspector of police, to town police station, Nalgonda. Respected sir, then body of the letter. It is to bring to your kind notice that our newly built house was fired on the housewarming ceremony itself. Our father died in the fire accident. The officers concluded that it was caused by Petromax lights flare up, but we have some doubts on Kondiba Patil, Bujaba Patil, and other ruffians. The day we started the house itself, they warned us not to build a rival storied house in the village. Even our father changed the plan of the house. They could not digest a mahar, an untouchable, build a brand new house in their locality. So they resorted to set fire on our house. Hence we request you to look into the matter, investigate and take a serious action against such culprits. File the case as murder of our father. Hence the criminals to be punished severely. Thanking you, sir. Finally, subscription yours truly, and signature or the person who is writing the letter should sign at the end of the paper. Let us go to another topic. Discourse writing, report writing. What is a report? If an incident or a program or an accident happened in your locality, in your area, or in the town, or somewhere else. Generally, the reporters of a newspaper collect the matter from the place of the incident and they write the report in the newspaper on the next day. And let us see what are the features of a report. First, we have to know what is the report about. When the incident happened, where the incident happened, how the incident happened, and what are the other details. Let us see the structure, how a report should be there. A report must have a headline. It is brief, simple and catchy. It says what the news is about. And next, write the place of the report where the incident takes place. And the first sentence itself should give the information of all the topic. This is a summary of the event. It talks about who, what, where and when the proceedings of the incident happened. And the next go for the details. And they lead the first paragraph. And all the topic details should be given in sequential order. And these are the features of a report. This appears in your paper 2 of summative assessment for 10 marks. Let us see a model of report that is given in your textbook. See here a report appeared in the Hindu newspaper on June 25, 2013. See how the report was made by the reporter. First see the heading. Jawan from Mahbubnagar killed in Srinagar attack. This is the heading. In the heading itself we can understand what the topic is. And from where the news is given or reported. As it is reported from Mahbubnagar, the place. So we have to write the name of the place here. And the first two lines should give the total information about the incident. A Jawan from Andhra Pradesh was among the 8 men of the Indian Army killed in Monday's terror attack in Srinagar. In the first two lines we can understand a Jawan was killed by the attack of terrorists that happened in Srinagar. And the next remaining part should consist of all the details of the person, how the incident happened and where the incident happened, how many persons were injured in the incident. We will go for the next details in the next lines. M. Yadaya, 28, was from Mahbubnagar district. Officials say he joined the army in 2003. His body is likely to be flown into Hyderabad on Thursday. It will then be taken to his village for cremation. Yadaya, who belonged to scheduled caste, joined the army in 2003 and married Sumati in 2009. He is survived by wife and 2 daughters, Rasmita and Asmita. Just they are 3 and 10 months. He studied SSC at Kalvakurti, and while studying intermediate first year, he joined the army as signalman. Minister for Information and Public Relations D.K. Aruna and District Collector M. Kridya Prasad conveyed condolences to the family members of the deceased army Jawan. 8 soldiers were killed when 2 militants opened fire and lobbed grenades on an army convoy on the outskirts of Srinagar. And these are the details are given. Dear students, you have observed how the report was written, the heading, and from the way the news report was given. And first 2 lines or first 1 line should give the information, and the details should be given in the next lines. And these are the details of the report. You can observe this report and make another report of your own by taking one incident or one program that may happen in your locality or in your school. Okay, with this I would like to conclude this class. Thank you all of you.